technology, the need for software developer engineers is increasing day by day. It is commonly said, programming is an important skill to learn in 21st century. But nobody can deny this fact that it is not everyone's cup of tea. Programming is hard but not impossible. People who succeed in coding are not born genius, nor they possess any extra talent. It is their habits that make them stand out in the crowd. Let's see few mistakes that people generally make while learning to code. Comparing yourself with others. This is the most common mistake that people generally make. They constantly compare themselves with their friends, colleagues, and so on. If you are making this mistake, then think about it. Comparing yourself with others will not get you anywhere. Rather, it will make you feel that you are not good for anything because there is always someone better than you. Look into the mirror. That's only your competition. Don't panic and focus on your growth. Trying to learn multiple languages at once. If you are starting out, then learning multiple languages can be disastrous. First, figure out why you want to learn to code. For example, you want to learn coding to make an e-commerce website for your business. Then make a checklist of everything that you must know before making e-commerce website. Then move a step at a time. Try to make as many minor projects that you can make while learning. Don't set unrealistic goals and set a deadline. Make sure you give sufficient time for yourself and not trying to learn C++, Java and Python in a week. Not maintaining consistency. It is critical to maintain consistency while learning to code or any other skill. Coding for half an hour daily is preferable over coding for 5 or 6 hours on weekend. Similarly, if you are trying to learn data structure and algorithm or even competitive programming, make sure you solve your problems on daily basis. Consistency will help you in getting momentum. It also transforms average into excellence. Sooner or later, you will realize how far you have come. Remember, consistent actions results in consistent efficiency. Laziness and procrastination. There is no way to sugarcoat it that there are some people who don't put enough efforts while learning and fail in the process while other things are in right place. Things like bad learning habit, poor planning, and not serious approach in learning leads to the lack of effort and ultimate failure. Truth is, good things never happen easy. You have to put your 100% effort if you want to attain anything. Taking programming as a pressure. If you really hate coding but doing it just because you have heard somewhere that there is some money in it or your parents have told it to do so, then it's time to rethink on your decision, because learning a language is a one thing, but mastering the language requires a passion. If you don't enjoy making websites and applications, then there are the higher chances that you will not make it longer. So it's better to rethink than regret. So in nutshell, we can say that don't start in tutorial. It is critical to put into practice whatever you have learned, because programming is a tool to convert your thoughts into code. Don't count days, make days count. Thank you.